Have you ever thought, I wish I was tall enough to dunk a basketball? Or, I wish my hair was a different color? Changing the characteristics of living things is what genetic engineering is all about. This is an image of a DNA strand. All living organisms on Earth contain DNA strands. DNA is a substance found inside a cell's nucleus that contains a genetic code. In people, DNA determines hair color, eye color, height, and other physical characteristics. In animals, DNA determines their appearance and behavior. In plants, DNA determines growth potential and rate, and the color and appearance of flowers and leaves. Genetic engineering is the process of modifying or changing the DNA of a living thing so that it has specific characteristics. Have you ever heard of a glow-in-the-dark pig? They really exist and were created by genetic engineers. The engineers took DNA from a glow-in-the-dark jellyfish. They inserted that gene from the jellyfish into the embryos of a pregnant pig. When the pigs were born, some of them could glow in the dark. Genetic engineers have also created a glow-in-the-dark cat and a rabbit. Scientists hope that this kind of genetic engineering can lead to the development of new medicines. Animals can be genetically modified for specific purposes. Cloning is another process genetic engineers use to generate an identical copy of a living thing. Dolly was the first sheep ever cloned. She was born in 1996. Genetic engineering has been used to create some very interesting plants, too. Genetic engineers have modified trees that grow extremely quickly, allowing them to produce tougher, higher quality wood. They've engineered corn to be resistant to insects, preventing bugs from destroying the crops. Plums have been engineered to resist viruses that could wipe out an entire crop. And apples have been modified to taste like grapes. It's called a grapple. We refer to genetically engineered plants and animals as GMOs, or genetically modified organisms. GMO agriculture can increase a crop's yield, lower the cost of growing food, increase food security, and help the world's growing population. Science suggests there could be health risks for people who consume GMOs, but more long-term research is needed. Genetic engineers have not cloned humans, but they have taken DNA from human cells to help prevent or treat diseases. This is referred to as gene therapy. While this has been a significant advancement in the medical field, some genetic engineers have pushed it to a new level through gene doping. Gene doping is used to increase athletes' strength, speed, and ability to execute their sport better. Genetic engineering is controversial. Some people think that genetic engineering is beneficial, and other people think it's dangerous. One side of the argument is that genetic engineering enables humans to live longer and avoid disease. On the opposite side, some believe genetic engineering could yield unpredictable effects on future generations. As you can see, genetic engineering involves modifying DNA in plants, animals, and people. What do you think? Is genetic engineering beneficial or harmful to people? Think about it.